Hey, what is up, guys? Me, this is my tech heroes, Malin LC, and welcome back to another video again. Now, today I'm thoroughly tickled because I have freedom. Guess what? I escaped RUMC. I found a glitch in the system in my game where I escaped RUMC. Holy shit! I escaped Blackwell and RUMC. Oh my god! I got freedom. Let's go! So I'm gonna tell a little story, tell more things considered. I'm not doing a video tomorrow. I'm still doing YouTube, but my internet has been slow, so I don't know when I'm gonna post this, so this is gonna be later. But yeah, back in the day, I used to be in RUMC. I used to meet this girl named Bianca, who was far sexier than Rosalina, and I've been exposed, so I gotta be very careful. I don't want to be stuck here. But yeah, I was in RUMC before. This is the hospital. This is the story where I talked about. This is what it looks like. And I was in that section, the kids section. If you look carefully, I don't know if you can see it, but you can see that's the section when I was in. And those windows, those were the kids section. So I think let's go do for the video. Thank you for the support. Love, guys, and I'm out, and I'm freedom.